Hello garden fans, we got a lot of things developing here. Everything's turning green, very, very green, as it does in Tennessee. These are leaves for grapes. Those are the grapes themselves beginning. More over here. And as we go around this area, we find the big grape leaves and grapes that might make it. Same thing back here, we have leaves and grapes. Over here we have some tomatoes. That's just one tomato plant. The yellow part will become a tomato. This is basil, and I will probably put a watermelon plant in there. Trees are kind of interesting, very green, and here we have peaches growing, and that's the way it should be because this is a peach tree. How advanced they will become, I do not know. This is a grape plant like the grapes we just saw, but these grapes never do develop. This is a pussycat tree. Is that right? A talking pussycat tree. And back here we have the tree that grows sideways, and it has, these branches are not broken. They grow in only one direction, and that's sideways, parallel to the horizon. It's a peach tree. Lots and lots and lots of peaches, which may or may not mature. And they're on the ground. Peach tree growing on the ground with grapes covering the peach tree. Grapes, 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 but I don't think the grapes will ever get to be big enough to eat, and I don't think the peaches will make it. I wonder what peaches and grapes would taste like mixed together. A pear tree. I've not seen any pears on this one yet, but I think we will soon. This is a little pear tree. It probably has little pears on it, but they'll never get big enough to eat. This is a fruitless cherry tree. And this is a fruited cherry tree that actually has some cherries on it. Can't see them right away. Where are they? Where are they? Where are the cherries? Take this one down and see if that's the one. Ta-da! There's a cherry. And a cherry that's covered up by a leaf there. I've seen only 2 cherries on this tree, but that makes it a cherry tree. This tree, on the other hand, has lots of cherries on it everywhere. Probably a couple of weeks away from being red enough to eat.